Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the iWatch above half, unlock your iPhone, and make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. Once done, open the watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. This creates the secure link. You'll see an animation on the watch. Point your iPhone camera at it to scan. If scanning fails, choose Manual Setup and follow the codes. This step ensures your Apple ID and services sync, so notifications and health data flow correctly. Now you configure the watch. You'll be asked to set it up as new or restore a backup. Pick the backup if you want previous settings and apps. Next, sign into your Apple ID on the watch through the iPhone, then enable location, Siri, and health syncing so features work seamlessly. Make a passcode to secure Apple Pay and health data, choose your wrist, and decide whether to install all apps now or later. These choices control privacy, convenience, and battery behavior. Finish by letting the iPhone and iWatch complete the sync. Keep them side by side until progress hits 100% because interrupted transfers cause missing data. Once synced, personalize watch faces and notification settings in the watch app so you get what matters quickly. If something goes wrong, pairing error, stuck at syncing, or apps not installing, restart both devices and try pairing again. If issues persist, unpair in the watch app and set up fresh. That clears corrupt settings and usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.